And now, for your Season 28 CCA-TV hosts. Dottie and Lindsay!
Oh my gosh, thank you guys so much. We're so excited to be your new hosts.
We've been dreaming of this for 3 years, ever since we were freshmen.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we have to do a segment on the pool when we're CCA-TV hosts.
Oh my gosh, yes, I've heard so much about it.
Oh my god, and then we have to talk about all the cool clubs on campus.
Oh, I think Club Day's coming up. We totally have to go explore that.
Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, I'm so excited for high school and being CCA-TV host when we're seniors.
Me too.
Wait, is the flashback over yet?
Psst, camera's rolling.
Oh,
Okay, Dottie, let's do our intro.
what intro?
The one we've been practicing since freshman year.
Oh, right. I'm Dottie.
And I'm Lindsay.
And this is CCA-TV.
I remember those days running to the lunch lines right after the bell rang.
You know, they actually just changed those recently.
Really?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Over summer break, Kenyon Crest Academy has opened a new lunch system deemed the Fast Line. Our CCA-TV team interviewed a few lunchline enthusiasts for their opinion on the matter.
What do I think of CCA's lunch system? I think that it may be a bit tedious for so little lines to be open at the same time while so many students are lining up for lunch.
I really like the new fast lunch lines because I got my lunch in like 3 minutes.
Yeah, the pizzas are really easy to get and they're really fast.
The lunch system, we are figuring it out, but the speed line's definitely helping. We're a little lower staffed, and so we're trying to find a way to get you guys through as quickly as we can.
What's one aspect that I think can improve? I think that maybe just having more lines open at the same time or a more streamlined system so that more people can get lunch faster.
While there's still change to be made, we can definitely say that the Fast Line is a great improvement to the lunchline fiasco.
You should get a yearbook because it's going to be an important memory and it's going to keep all the historic things that are going to happen this year.
Our yearbooks are 25% cheaper this year than they have been previous years, so it'll cost $75 with an ASB card and $80 without an ASB card.
Also, seniors, make sure you get your portraits, ads, and quotes in.
Buy a yearbook today!
I wish we could be the CCA-TV sports hosts.
I know, right? I wonder how we could try out for that team.
I mean, what if we just grab our own camera, film our own show, and sneak it into CCA-TV?
Hey, it's not a bad idea.
One problem is we're not really in the right location for sports hosts. How about we find some place more sporty?
Well, one problem. We need a camera.
There's one right there.
Well, perfect. Now we have a plan, a camera. Now we just need a...
There. Now it feels like we're real sports hosts. Well, now they're all set. I'm one, and I'm Gabriel, and this is sports! Can you believe it?
Believe what?
We finally have a football team.
You're telling me CCA? CCA has a football team?
Pretty much.
Since when did that happen?
Well, like 2 weeks ago.
That's great. You know, we better keep that undefeated record.
Don't worry, our football team's gonna go crazy.
I'm sure they will. How about we go see how they're preparing?
I used to play with the kids in my neighborhood all the time. Me and my friends had a little mini league that we would do. We do like tournaments. I either play running back or wide receiver.
I'm really excited. This is a brand new sport. I'm really excited to see CCA's reaction to having a girls flag football team.
And we've been doing a lot of going over our plays and thinking about how we're going to prepare.
I've been fluctuating in and out between offensive and defensive, and I think that's how it's going to end up being when we actually play the game.
I'm excited for the Torrey Pines game.
We'll try our best, but we're here to have fun, and honestly, we're pretty good, so yeah.
What position do you play and how is it important?
I play on the outside, usually the 5 or the 1 spot.
Left side, 1-2, and guard and set.
What's your favorite part about water polo?
Winning. I love winning.
Take from the season is making a 5-goal comeback.
I prepare for a game or a tournament by making sure I get at least 8 hours of sleep.
I like to listen to music, hype me up.
I usually prepare by just making sure that I'm stretched enough and I warm up right.
Thanks guys, wish you the best of luck in this upcoming season. Now let's take a look at the upcoming CCA sports games. On September 7th, we have Varsity Girls Golf, Varsity Girls Field Hockey, and Varsity Girls Volleyball. On September 11th, we have Varsity Girls Tennis. On September 12th and 14th, we have Girls Varsity Tennis and Golf. We also have Girls Varsity Field Hockey and Girls Varsity Volleyball. Wow, what a great first week of CCA sports.
I know, right? I hope our class doesn't get too mad at us that we snuck our own show on the CCA-TV.
You know, maybe they liked it so much we'll be back for the next sports episode.
I hope. But for now, that's all the time we have today.
I'm Juan.
And I'm Gabriel.
And this has been Sports.
I remember the first day of school, finally being a Raven. Although, it was stressful at times because of the homework load.
Yeah, sometimes I just wanted a little treat to get me through the day. Hey, why are we in the ASB room?
To look at freshman wishes and remember our wish.
Oh yeah! What's that?
I'm so hungry. I wish I had a protein bar right now. Thanks, ASB!
Well, I'm really craving a Kinder Egg right now.
Thanks! Guys, I really need an iced pumpkin cream chai tea latte with extra cold foam and 2 pumps of vanilla and... This is even... and it's empty.
Hi, I'm Dominic. Us students are back at school, but something we don't appreciate is that the teachers are also back. Today we're going to find out what's most important to them about teaching. Please explain why you like being an art teacher at CCA.
Oh, I love it. Well, first of all, the students are awesome. They're really good at what they do, and they're really curious and great learners, and I love teaching art. I love creating art and being creative.
I love being a teacher at CCA because our students are creative and engaged and doing interesting projects, and it's fun for me to see what you guys come up with.
I enjoy teaching math here because I love working with all the students here. I love being back at my own high school where I went, and I'm just really happy to be here.
I have a background in biology. I used to be a wildlife biologist, and I just happen to think, you know, chemistry is really neat. It's kind of the study, the foundation of like things that we study in biology, and so yeah, I think those two subjects really, you know, connect and go together really well.
Well, that was a really nostalgic episode.
Yeah, it's really making me reminisce my freshman year.
Hey, Lindsay, let's focus more on the present instead.
You're so right, Dottie. Wow, I can't believe we're seniors and CCA-TV hosts.
I know, right? I just wish we had a football team.
Dottie, we've been over this. We do. I'm on the team.
Oh, right.
Wow, this is gonna be a great season.
Stay sentimental, CCA.